In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a sign-up page in Webflow so visitors can register or subscribe through your website. Let's get started. Open your Webflow project and create a new page. Give it a name such as Sign Up or Join Us. Open the Elements panel and drag a form block onto the page. Customize the form by adding or removing fields to match your needs. For example, you can include name and email fields, then update the button text to something like Sign Up or Join Now. Add a heading and a short description above the form so visitors know what they're signing up for. Open Site Settings, go to the Forms section and enter the email address where you want to receive form submissions. Preview the page to test the form, then publish your website when everything is working correctly. That's how to create a sign-up page in Webflow. Thanks for watching.